Let me tell you one thing, by gosh, the truck doesn't make the man makes the truck. When you see big, huge custom trucks like this, most of the time you're probably thinking something negative, like, oh, he's got little man syndrome, he's trying to overcompensate for something. But we all know and trust in custom is greater than stock, and our custom trucks are an extension of who we are and what we represent and the vibe and energy that we put off every single day. So behind me, A1 glasses, amazing, 24 Akins Ford F-450 Platinum, Glacier Gray, Reserve Edition. We own some 28s. Let's go. We're gonna start right here because this is where the statement is made. 28-inch Forgies. They say when you throw 28s on the Hummer, the birds fly down south for the summer. Yeah. You know we love to roll with big wheels, y'all. 28-inch 40s on 38s. That's how we do it. Foundationally, we're on the Kelderman 5 to 6-inch air ride lift kit. This is a money setup from a premier ride quality standpoint, articulation, and towing capability. 38s are the way to go on this kit as well. 37 just wouldn't cut it. This truck is next level, top tier legit with our custom Reserve Edition paint package. All the goodies, y'all, it's all here. Up front, this truck had brushed aluminum and texture black, no bueno components. Of course, next level, a gate black, glacier gray accent. Everything removed texture-wise. Top bump pad, center bumper portion, tow hooks, side lighting. We got the BMC lights, best in the business, great ample lighting. Inside the headlights, glacier gray, a gate black, so legit. Elegant, classy. The whole front end of this thing is just truly incredible. Got a trimmer valance down below. That's a money setup. Looks a lot better than a factory one. So many people leave that factory one and it's just not the way to go. Cleaning everything up aesthetically is very important. It's the details, y'all. Details.
Hey, Dad. What's
up,
up with this other F-450 over here?
So I got Brady filming for me today, y'all. My son, Brady Rambo. And you're right, son, but cannot end this video without showing appreciation to this one right here. Mr. Mark Henry, this was his truck, recently traded in, Rapid Red Diamond, 5 to 6 Kelderman as well, 38s on 24-inch American Forces. This is the Doom wheel from American Force with tons of accents. So we've got two distinct custom 450s, Rapid Red and Glacier Gray. We got the 5 to 6-inch kit from Kelderman. We also would like to incorporate other components that make the truck even better. Carly torsion sway bar with end links, that's a definite must. The true foundational components make a big difference to us. And I know you're probably thinking you're on 38s and 28s. You're gonna sacrifice a little bit of ride quality to stunt like it's a habit, but it's worth it, y'all. I'm telling you, it's worth it. 28. Side mirrors, remove texture, a gate black, Glacier Gray, 450 elegance everywhere you look. Door handles to Glacier, wrap the upper and lower, to match, side bed step doing it black, little variation, and of course wrapping that top as well. When I say a gate black, it's got the flake in it, it's not a gloss black, so everything flows. One nation under God, y'all. One nation under God. That's why we're the strongest country in the world, okay? It's not because of anything else. That's the reason why we're the best country and the most favored country, because of our heavenly Father. Bray, just look at this deep lip on the 28s. I cannot get over how big of a wheel this is and that super deep dish right there. Out back, the Glacier and a gate black give a nice contrast. Those two premium colors look amazing. We went as far as doing the running board top pad, a gate black as well. All that texture black replaced. So clean, so classy. Same level of detail and attention right here on the Rapid Red 2. Just look how elegant. Every component taken care of, rigid SRQs, Gen Y hitch, even painted to match too. I guess my question for Brady and everyone is it Glacier or is it Rapid?
Rapid Red.
Rapid Red from Bray. BMC rear and side facing hitch bar light are a great way to add discreet LED lighting. BMC, baby. Also incorporated with the onboard compressor, a rear air line out back for added convenience, onboard air at your access. I love the new location for the airlift right up there in that sunglass area, nice and discreet. Now I'm going to showcase the 3 different levels of the ride height settings on the Kelderman. Currently we're at the 5 to 6 inch mark, which is made for everyday driving. It's the best ride quality overall. We're going to go all the way up just to stunt and showcase, and we're going to go all the way down for easy entry and exit. Just to reiterate, the truck doesn't make the man or woman, okay? The man or woman makes the vehicle. That's what it's all about. It's a vibe, it's the energy, it's a lifestyle, it's a mindset. Custom is greater than stock. On the inside, we've got Focal speakers, completely replaced, under seat downfire subwoofer system, Starlight headliner, inside and out. This is a complete build, and I'll say it again, you won't find a custom truck with this level of thoughtfulness and detail like you will right here at Akins Ford and Wild Willies. The reason is the experience, mentality, and passion we have cannot be duplicated. And that's not bragging, that's just the truth. We're gonna spit the truth to you every single day about our faith, family, and everything auto. I'm Real Deal Neal. Thanks for watching. Love y'all so much. Peace out.